Hey, so if you want to explore streets, neighborhoods, or landmarks virtually before visiting them, yeah, Google Maps Street View is one of the coolest features you can use. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Maps Street View step by step in 2026. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Use the search bar to find a city, address, landmark, or business. On mobile, tap the location photo. On desktop, drag the yellow Pegman icon onto the map. You can move around streets by tapping arrows or clicking roads. Drag the screen or move your phone to look around in every direction. Zoom in to see buildings and details more clearly. Some locations also let you view older Street View images from previous years. You can compare the map and Street View together for easier navigation. Street View helps you recognize entrances, parking areas, and nearby landmarks before arriving. Tap the back button or close Street View anytime to return to the normal map. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Google Maps Street View to explore places virtually in 2026.